Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a 2004 Volkswagen Touran, and this one came for the grinding brakes. So we've took the rear tires off, and that was the rear brake pads that we took off this car. As you can see, there's nothing left, and that was because the driver's side rear caliper was completely seized and it wouldn't go back. So we had to tell the customer to replace that caliper, and that's the condition of the disc. It's gone red, which means that it's been overheating. So that's what we're doing today. Thank you.